Good evening. Quad options expiration is upon us tomorrow, and as you can see, we are trading off. That's right, off. But still, look at the top of this chart. We're seeing a lot of noise and congestion here today. We did hit another new high. Yes, another new high, folks. This market continues, however, struggling a little bit here down to 1056. I believe is the low here so far, 7:30 on the West Coast. Looks like to me we may have broke a trend line. I said all day. Now let's break it down to the one-day chart here. Today we were leaning short. Good half of the day. We caught a good piece of this ride from 65 down to the mid 50s, and then sold back here in the as we got into this gray zone. So again, from a trading perspective, not a big deal day trading wise, but there seems to be a change in the season here a little bit. Again, quad options expiration. I think if you want to swing trade again, this may be a good spot to get in with a stop up around 1077 or so. Our high today was 1071.50. We are now 1056 was our low, a new low here right before 7 o'clock. Now we have bounced again, trading 1058.78. So again, coming into tomorrow, quad options expiration. I'm not sure what to expect. Another flat day possibly. Today is interesting. We basically opened at this 1062, 63 area, and we closed, if you notice, right here 115, right around that same area, 1062, 63. So we saw a new high. We saw a low of 1056 and change, and then couldn't make a new high again later in the day. So this market again was the first time in a while that we've actually opened up in the first half hour. That's when we hit our high, and then we sold off the rest of the day. Pretty much the trend was clearly down if you were to draw a trend. So not a big move again to the downside, but the trend does look a little bit different right now to me, and we'll see where we go tomorrow. Again, I think this line that I drawn earlier up to this 1065 area again is probably a pretty good area to be a seller. 1065 to 1071 with a stop on a swing somewhere in the 1077 area is what I would recommend. We're only 1059. Don't mince pennies. If you want to get in on a swing trade, trade a few contracts and just put it in and forget about it. We'll see if we go lower next week. Nothing has been able to take this market down next week. We've got the FOMC meeting. Bernanke told us that the recession that he said never happened is over. So again, we did not have a recession back when we were in recessionary periods, according to Bernanke, and now it is over. So that being said, we do have a Fed meeting next Tuesday, Wednesday. Will we get a rate hike? Maybe that's what he's insinuating with his recession is over speak. Maybe it's time to raise them and surprise them, but maybe that was his lingo of way of doing that. So that's it. We'll be back Friday, expiration day. Have a great evening. Talk to you tomorrow.